Hi, welcome to the HardReset.Info. In front of me Xiaomi Mi router AX3600, and now I'm gonna show you how to factory reset all settings using the web interface. To do it, you need to open the web interface, click Advanced here. Not Advanced, but you need to open Settings here, Normal Settings, then click Status, and scroll down. Find here Factory Data Reset, click Restore Factory Settings, click OK, and just wait a while. Cool, that's it. Settings of my router was successfully restored. Now, of course, I can't connect to this web page, so now I have the old Wi-Fi network of this router. So I need to set up my router again. Thanks for watching. Like this video and bye. See you.